C++ is a general-purpose programming language that was developed as an extension of the C programming language. It's widely used for developing operating systems, game development, and high-performance applications. Here are some basic concepts you'll need to know. Variables. In C++, variables are used to store data. You'll need to declare a variable before you can use it. The syntax for declaring a variable is, example is here. Data_type variable_name. 2. Data types. C++ supports various data types like integers, floats, characters, and booleans. You'll need to choose the appropriate data type based on the type of data you're storing. 3. Operators. C++ supports various operators like arithmetic operators, plus, asterisk, assignment operators, equals, plus equals, smiley face, and comparison operators, equals equals, equals. 4. Control structures. Control structures are used to control the flow of a program. C++ supports various control structures like if-else statements, for loops, while loops, and switch statements. 5. Functions. Functions are a way to group a set of statements together and execute them as a single unit. In C++, you can create your own functions or use predefined functions. Here's an example program that uses some of these concepts. #include. Using namespace std. Int main. Int x equals 5. Float y equals 3.14. Char c equals a. Bool b equals true. Q less than x equals less than x endl. Q less than y equals less than y endl. Q less than c equals less than c endl. Q less than b equals less than b endl. If x greater than 3. Q less than x is greater than 3 inches less than endl. Else Q less than x is less than or equal to 3 inches less than endl. For int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus. Q less than I equals less than I less than endl. Return 0. This program declares variables of different data types, uses the Q statement to print their values to the console, uses an if-else statement to control the flow of the program, and uses a for loop to execute a set of statements multiple times. I hope this brief introduction helps you get started with C++. Good luck!